In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your projects using app.photoroom.com. We'll go through this process step by step, and by the end, you'll feel confident using the platform to organize and download your creative assets. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Create section of Photoroom. If you've not used this tool before, you might find it incredibly intuitive. Simply open your browser and go to the provided link for the Create section. This is where the magic starts, as it allows you to dive right into your projects or start something new. Next up, you'll see a list of your existing projects. Click on one of these projects to open it. This is essential if you need to review or make any last-minute adjustments to a project before downloading it. Clicking on the project will display all of your work ready for any final tweaks. Once you're in your project, it's time to download. Look for the Download button, typically situated at the top or bottom of the interface. Clicking this button will prompt the download process, but we still have a few settings to check before finalizing. Now, type the desired file name for your project. This is a small yet important step, because a clear naming convention can save you a lot of hassle later when you need to find that file again. Naming your file clearly and descriptively can make future retrieval significantly easier. After naming your file, you'll need to decide on the format. To do this, find the Format option. This is where you can choose the type of file you'd like to download. Choosing the right format depends on what you plan to do with your file afterward, so take a moment to consider your needs before proceeding. I recommend selecting JPEG as the format. JPEGs are a universally accepted file type that boasts good quality and manageable file size, ideal for various applications, from web uploads to prints. Simply click on JPEG to choose this format. Finally, you're almost there. With all the settings in place, the last step is to hit Download again. This will initiate the download process, saving your file to your device in the format and with the name you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated app.photoroom.com, and you're now ready to manage your creative projects with ease. Whether you're a designer, photographer, or just someone who loves to create, this tool can be a valuable asset in your workflow. Thanks for joining in today's tutorial, and happy creating! If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one.